Most of the AI tools we use every day have the same annoying limitation. They're insanely smart in the chat box, but completely helpless when it comes to actually doing things. They can't open your apps, they can't reliably browse the web, they can't touch real files or use real tools the way you do. It's like having a genius coworker permanently locked behind glass. Today we're looking at something built to break that glass. It's called AGB Cloud, and it gives AI agents a real body in the cloud. Instead of just generating text, your agent can use a full computer, a browser, and a cloud-based code environment, all inside a secure sandbox that's isolated from your own machine. So if you've ever wished your AI could actually open a browser, run a terminal command, or debug code for you without risking your system, this is where it gets interesting. AGB Cloud calls itself an AI-native, cross-platform agent sandbox runtime. In plain language, that means it's a place where your AI agents can live and act like real users. They can operate an operating system, run command lines, launch apps, and even use tools like VS Code. They can browse the web, fill out forms, and scrape data, with IP isolation and anti-fingerprint protection, so those actions are separated and controlled. And it's not just text. The platform has a multimodal sandbox, so the agent can process text, images, and UI elements at the same time. It can actually see and understand what's on the screen, not just guess based on prompts. All of this runs inside a secure, isolated sandbox. So if you're doing things like web crawling, data verification, or automation, it doesn't put your host system at risk. At the core is what they call code space, a cloud-native environment where your agent can generate code, compile it, and debug it in multiple languages. So instead of copying and pasting code from a chat window into your local IDE, you can let the agent work directly in the cloud environment that's designed for it. Their slogan is, "Build smart, use fast." And that's basically the idea. Give you a fast path from idea to working AI agent that can actually interact with the real world. To make this concrete, let's walk through the kind of zero to hero journey you might build. Imagine you want an in-depth research assistant that doesn't just give you generic summaries, but actually goes out to the web, collects data from multiple sources, saves it, processes it, and gives you a structured report. You'd start in AGB Cloud's code space or cloud computer setup. From there, you use their Python SDK to spin up a session for your agent. That SDK is what lets you manage sessions and manipulate files programmatically. So your agent isn't just chatting, it's actually reading and writing to a real file system inside the sandbox. Once the session is running, you define what the agent is allowed to do. For example, you might give it access to the browser tool and the terminal tool inside that environment. Then you ask it to research a topic and instruct it to save its findings into structured files. Here's where the body idea really kicks in. Instead of just calling an API that returns text, the agent uses the browser inside the sandbox to search, open pages, scroll, and extract information. Because of the browser use feature, it can fill forms, navigate login pages if you set that up, and handle dynamic sites. IP isolation and anti-fingerprint protection mean those browsing actions are contained and separate from your personal machine and identity. As it finds data, it can use the terminal inside the same sandbox to run scripts that clean and transform that information. Maybe it writes Python code in the code space to parse HTML, convert it to CSV, and then run some basic analytics. The AI can generate that code, run it, see the errors, and debug, all in that cloud-native code environment. By the end, you're not just getting a single answer in a chat window. You've got a folder in the sandbox with raw data files, cleaned data sets, and a final summary or report generated by the agent. All of that happened inside an isolated, controllable environment that didn't touch your local machine. Another compelling use case is an automated data analyst. You can point the agent to a set of URLs or uploaded files within the sandbox, allowing it to automatically browse web pages, validate data, and, by leveraging the capabilities of a large language model, LLM, dynamically generate and execute scripts for data processing and analysis. Because it understands not only text but also UI elements and images, its capabilities go beyond structured APIs. It can directly interact with visualization dashboards, capture screenshots, and interpret on-screen content to make informed decisions, enabling truly end-to-end automated data analysis. Now, there are a couple of small trade-offs to be aware of. Since everything runs in a secure sandbox, you're intentionally adding a layer between the agent and your real system. That's a good thing for safety, but it does mean you need to think in terms of inside the sandbox versus outside when you design your workflows. For example, states such as files, environment variables, or the current working directory is not automatically preserved across commands. But don't worry, AGB Cloud provides a context mechanism that lets you explicitly pass critical information throughout the session's lifetime, maintaining isolation while enabling session continuity. And because this is a powerful environment with browser use, code execution, and system-level tools, there's a bit more to learn than just typing prompts into a basic chatbot. You'll get the most out of it if you're comfortable with concepts like sessions, file manipulation, and using a Python SDK. Overall, though, if you're a developer or a tech enthusiast who's been frustrated by the limits of traditional LLM chat, AGB Cloud is a big step forward. It turns your agent from a passive text generator into an active user of a real computer, browser, and code space, with security built in from the start. If you want to try it, new registrations get a 50-hour free experience so you can start building and see how far you can push your own agents. I'll leave links to the official site, the document center, the GitHub repository, and their Discord community so you can dive deeper, read the docs, and get help from other builders. Check out AGB Cloud using the links below. Start experimenting with your own AI agents in a real sandboxed environment. And if you found this breakdown useful, hit subscribe for more deep dives into AI, blockchain, and the tools that connect them.